Costa Rica. It's pricey, right? What if I told you that you could be saving hundreds of dollars in Costa Rica by the end of the video? Costa Rica, a land of unparalleled beauty and endless adventures waiting to be explored. So let's get into the best-kept secrets on saving money on your Costa Rica holiday. First up, we have food. Costa Rican cuisine is a delicious blend of flavors influenced by indigenous, Spanish, and Afro-Caribbean cultures. While food can cost a lot, we have a fix. Your solution lies in the local sodas. These charming, family-owned eateries offer authentic dishes at affordable prices. Indulge in the national staple, gallo pinto, or savor a hearty casado for a fraction of the cost you'd find at touristy restaurants. With meals ranging from $5 to $10, your taste buds will thank you for the culinary journey without the hefty bill. If you're willing to go the extra mile, we have a way to save even more. Cooking on your own can save a lot of money while enjoying the tastes of the Costa Rica lifestyle. Stay tuned for how to save on your accommodation. But first, let's delve into the heart of Costa Rica's natural wonders. Lace up your hiking boots and prepare for an unforgettable adventure in the country's national parks. Manuel Antonio, with its dense rainforests and pristine beaches, offers a haven for nature lovers. Meanwhile, Arenal Volcano beckons with its majestic peak and rejuvenating hot springs. Entrance fees range from $5 to $15, providing exceptional value for the awe-inspiring experiences that await you. Keep your camera handy as you encounter exotic wildlife and immerse yourself in the breathtaking beauty of Costa Rica's biodiversity. Now, let's talk accommodation. While luxury resorts may offer lavish amenities, budget travelers can find comfort and affordability in hostels and guest houses. Embrace the communal atmosphere of hostel life, where fellow travelers share stories and adventures. Dorm beds can be secured for as little as $10 per night, while private rooms offer cozy retreats starting at $20. To save more, try to find places away from tourist attractions and high tourist spots. Alternatively, consider camping under the stars in designated areas within national parks, providing a unique and budget-friendly way to connect with nature. Wait till you find out how to save so much money on transport. But before we get to that, no trip to Costa Rica is complete without a visit to its world-renowned beaches. While popular destinations like Tamarindo and Jaco attract crowds, there are hidden gems awaiting discovery. Escape to secluded shores like Playa Conchal or Playa Avellanas, where you can bask in the sun's warmth and dip your toes in the azure waters without the hustle and bustle. Pack a picnic, unwind on the soft sands, and let the gentle ocean breeze whisk your worries away. The best part, enjoying nature's splendor comes with no cost attached, just pure relaxation. As night falls, Costa Rica's vibrant nightlife comes alive with energy and excitement. Skip the tourist traps and seek out local bars and clubs, where you can dance to the rhythm of salsa and reggaeton into the early hours. Take advantage of happy hour specials, offering discounted drinks and appetizers to fuel your evening without draining your wallet. Whether you're sipping cocktails by the beach or grooving to live music in the city. Another way to save money is to subscribe. It's free and it helps a lot, so you never miss important travel tips. Lastly, let's talk transportation. Navigating Costa Rica's diverse landscapes is made easy with its reliable public transportation system. Buses connect major cities and tourist destinations, offering affordable fares for budget-conscious travelers. Short trips cost just a few dollars, while longer journeys range from $10 to $20. For those craving flexibility, renting a car or scooter allows you to explore off-the-beaten-path destinations at your own pace and, more importantly, in your own time. And for the eco-conscious traveler, cycling offers a sustainable and scenic way to traverse Costa Rica's breathtaking terrain. A cheap holiday is on the horizon. While you wait, how about another video? Until next time, happy travels!